Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add take profit and stop loss on Exness in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside your dashboard, you are going to see all of the real accounts and the demo accounts that you have created here. So you just have to click on the option of trade on top of either the real account or the demo account. Basically, it should be that account in which you want to place the trade and in which you want to add the take profit and stop loss. So as you can see, I'm currently in my dashboard, and over here, I'm just going to select the BTC pair, or you can also select any other pair like Ethereum. So over here, first of all, you just have to place your order. So based on your trading strategy, you just have to place your order. For example, let's say I place this buy order over here. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in the running trade, and now you will be shown the TP and the SL options over here. So in order to set the TP, you just have to simply select the TP option and drag and drop it here on the top. Afterwards, click on the option of modify the position. Similarly, you just have to simply drag and drop the SL and then click on the option of modify position. And as soon as you do this, you will be shown your TP and your stop loss very easily. So that's how you can basically add it. Thanks for watching.